There's a free way to have a digital store online, and you can sell your products in US dollars for free. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Systeme.io and create a digital store. So on this store, you can list your products, your digital product that people can buy from basically any part of the world. The first step is to create an account on Systeme.io. I'll put a link in the description and you can use that link. And once you create an account, you log in and you come to an interface like this one. So once you come to an interface like this, if you come to sites here, this is where you find your digital stores. So you click on digital stores, and this is where you see all the digital stores you've created. So if you're on the free plan, you'll be able to create just one digital store, but you can list a lot of things inside of that one digital store. So on this account, I am currently on the free plan. So I'm going to delete the store and I'm going to show you how you can start creating the store from scratch. So now we can just come here, click on create, and we need to give our store a name. So I'm just going to call this store a digital geek. This is basically the name of my store. So if you have a domain name attached to Systeme.io, you can select the domain, but this is a default domain that comes with Systeme.io. So your store, this is the name. Then if you just click right here, this is going to be the link to your store. So this is the link you give to people to come to your store. You can select the language, but we are going to leave it to English. So we click on save and we are ready to go. So this is what our store is going to look like to the outsiders, but we want to edit it, we want to customize it so that it can look a bit beautiful. So if you click on view, this is basically how it's going to show. But if you come here, you click on edit design, you can see some templates that you can use to edit your store to make your store look good. However, we can basically customize this to what we want, which is what I am going to do in this case. So here where we have colors, you can change the color of the store. So I like blue, so I'm going to keep the blue to be a bit somewhere deeper. I can change the other colors, but I'm going to leave it to white. I can also change this color, but I'm okay with these two colors. I can change the font. I can maybe use Merriweather here. If you wanted to change the body font, you can change it, but I'm not going to change that. So you click apply theme and you've done the changes. So we want to edit the header right here. So you click on edit header and you want to again change your store name. So my store name is going to be Digital Geek. And this is where you write your bio, what your store is about. So I'm just going to write, this is a digital store. Of course, you want to write properly what your store is about. And you can include your social links if you wanted. So I'm not going to include it now because I don't want to, but you can include it. You can add even more of them just to make your store look a bit nice. So once you are done, you can save it and our store name has been changed. But I want to add a picture of myself here. So I want to come back to the edit the header. And if I come here, I click on this icon here, I can select a picture that I can use as my store header. So it can be your picture or your logo, and you can upload from here. I already have this one, so I'm just going to select it and I click on insert right here. So now our store is starting to look a bit presentable. So you click on save and our store is ready. So you can instantly start adding your products, or you can add sections. So let's say you sell ebooks, you sell, let's say, videos, you sell different things, and you want to categorize them by the different categories, you can, or the different sections. You can come here, click on add section. So let's say maybe you want here to contain only ebooks, you can add a section. If you want to add another section, you can say maybe videos, and then maybe templates, like that, depending on what you sell or what you want to sell. So I'm just going to add templates in this case. So after adding this, you want to start creating your product. This is basically how they are going to show right here, and you can move them and arrange them as you want. So you have settings here where you can edit them and or delete them. All right. So now I want to start adding products. So you can come here now, click on add a product, and this is where you decide the kind of product that you want to sell. So your product can redirect to an external link. Basically, let's say you have a product where you want people to go to maybe Google Drive to download it. You can use this. And if you want to collect emails, you can use this to build your list. If you want to sell a digital product, you can use this, or you want to sell an existing course from your Systeme.io account. So I just want to sell a digital download that they can basically download immediately. So I'm going to select this one. So once I select it, I want to start customizing it. So I want to upload the thumbnail of the product. So I'm just going to use this one because this is what I currently have, but you can upload your own. You click on select. So this is a thumbnail, and here we want to select the name of the product. So let's say I want to sell a Facebook ads checklists, maybe a PDF. So a PDF, and then here I can change the button. I can say get it maybe instantly or get it today, anything you want it to say. All right. And then this is where you give a simple subtitle, what this product is about and all of that. So we click on save. Now this is a digital download, and this is where you put the product name again and what they are basically going to get. Facebook ads checklist will be my own. All right. And this is where you upload the digital product. So you click on upload, and you can upload it either as a PDF or anything. In my case, let's say I want them to download this image when they pay. All right, so I can just say select, and this is the image they will be able to download. So the confirmation email can be sent to them. So you can click on edit, and you can edit this, like the message they will get after paying. For instance, this is the default message. Thank you for your purchase. You now have instant access to the product name, and then they now have a link to download the product. All right. So you can include your sender name if you wanted and all of that, but we are going to leave it to the default one for now. So you click on the next page, and this is where you upload. This is like a sales page and a checkout page. All right. So you can just give them again the thumbnail of the product, so they know that they're actually paying for the main product. So this one has to be in landscape form. All right. So you can just help them, allow them crop it, or you can just upload a cropped version if you want. So I'm just going to allow them crop it. So this is basically just to allow the people know that they are actually getting what they are paying for. So again, you can give the product title again, and then the button. This is a checkout page. Now, this is where you decide the information you want to collect from them. So before they can complete the payment, they'll put their email, their first name, and their country if you want. If you do not want, you can basically delete the country. In my case, I don't really care where the country they come from, so I can just remove that one. But let's say I wanted to collect their phone number, I can click on add field, and I can say maybe number, neighborhood, postal code, phone number, blah, blah, blah. But because of I'm selling a digital product, email and name is basically okay. All right. Now, this is where you set the price of the product that you are selling. So you can come here, click on add a pricing plan, and then you can decide if this product is a one-time payment, or if it's a subscription, or if it is a payment plan. So I'm going to do a one-time payment, and you need to choose your pricing plan. So you click on this, and you see all the pricing plans you've created before. If you do not have any pricing plan, you want to create a new one here. So you come here, click on create a new one. You give it a name, and then you put a small description here, and then you select the price here. All right. And then you can save it. And after saving it, you'll be able to choose from the pricing plan. So I've saved some already. So I'm just going to select one of them here, which is this one. So this one should be around $10, okay, $15. So you see, this is what they are going to pay. So we want to save it. Now I want to select a payment method. So in the initial video I created, I talked about how to connect payment methods to system.io. So once these people pay, you'll be able to receive the payment. So these payments, in my own case, I want to sell it in US dollars, but you can change the currency. You can come here, select different currencies, but we are going to leave it to the US dollars. And you want to also select the payment method they can pay with, depending on the payment method that you had connected to system.io. In my case, I have Flutterwave and Paystack connected, so I'm going to select the both of them to give the buyers the option to use anyone that they prefer. So I click on save and we are basically ready to go. So this is the thank you page where after paying, they will be redirected here before they get their email. You can also change this as you want, write a message as you want, but I'm very okay with this and I can just click on publish. So basically our product is now ready and this is the product right here. If I come back to our store now and I refresh it, we should be able to see our product, and people can just come here, click on it, and they will be brought to the checkout page, and they can basically fill this information, select the payment method that they want to use, and then they can just proceed to buy it now. So after buying it, they will get an email and the download link to download the product. So this is basically how you can create a store, a digital store for free using system.io. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Goodnoel. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye-bye.